Hi everyone, I'm just popping in here really quickly because the lecture notes from here on out change gears slightly. So we've gone over a couple of the basics of the course, and a lot of that stuff is from the syllabus and course introduction as well. But now I want to introduce you to the first opening concepts that we'll be looking at going into next week in the first major paper assignment. Specifically, we'll be looking at argumentation, how to break down an argument, how to determine if an argument is a good argument, and in order to do that, we need to examine the rhetoric of the writer. Now, rhetoric basically boils down to the art of persuasion. How does a writer or a speaker best persuade or convince their audience that their point of view is the best or that their point of view has value? Now, we'll be looking at these concepts. Again, these concepts are tied to your first major paper assignment, but they're also tied into overall course content. You'll be looking at this again as you write your second major paper and third major paper so that you can ultimately create an argument of your own.